everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, subscriber, or both, welcome back, darling. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you my moisture routine. This is a moisture routine that I've been using since I started my hair journey. It's so simple. Trust me when I say the simplest moisture routine you'll ever find. I washed my hair this afternoon and it's a bit damp, and I left some aloe vera inside my hair as a leave-in conditioner. So at this point my hair is dry to some extent, and I haven't put any oils on it. I haven't put anything. I haven't moisturized my hair. I just washed it, and I have only put some leave-in conditioner in form of aloe vera. In this video we're just going to be using very simple stuff. Okay, so first and foremost, this is my spray bottle. In this is clove water. Okay, my clove water. Okay, what I used to do was I used to use plain water, right, and mix it with aloe vera, then I spray it on my hair. I recently put this into my moisture routine 2024. We're using clove water. Okay, we're not just using ordinary water, we're using clove water. So it's just water and cloves, only just the two ingredients. I'm going to mix it with some glycerine. Okay, this is the glycerine that I've used all my life. This is the glycerine that I've used. I'll mix my clove water with clay. Then to seal in all the moisture that I've put, I'm just going to be using Vaseline petroleum jelly. So at this point, you guys now actually understand when I mean simple. There's no fancy product I'm going to put on my hair, just the simple stuff. If you thought that moisturizing your natural hair is going to be a hassle, I've actually plugged you with the simplest moisturizer. So I'm just going to put this clove water, right, I'll transfer it into my tiny spray bottle. 2/3 will be water, then 1/3 is going to be glycerine. Okay guys, as you can see, this is my clove water. Just simple clove water without anything. Then I'm just gonna add in some glycerine. You can see the glycerine has settled down here, right? This is the glycerine, this is the clove water, but we want to make it into a mixture. So what are we going to do? We're just gonna close the bottle. Close it, right? Then we shake it. So this is the mixture. You've seen that glycerine has actually mixed into the mixture. Now it's a thick mixture. Okay, this is the final product. This is all you need. So let's put this into this. Let me section my hair. This are not going to be perfect sections, okay, because I don't have a mirror around me right now, and we're just doing this. We're just moisturizing. As long as every hair strand gets something. Our ends. Make sure it's in there. Massage it into the strands, right? After this, you just take some petroleum jelly, just a bit, right here on the palm of your hair, then just seal in the moisture. Okay, just seal it in. So we don't want to just clog our pores with product. We want just enough. So you just put where you can feel that your hair is not good. Then after that, you just twist your hair like this. That's what I'm going to be doing to lock in the moisture. this is shed hair. Okay, take some more gel and just here at the ends. The ends are the most fragile part, right? Then we're done. Next part, do the same thing. I'm just going to do that to my whole head, right? Then I'll come back to you when I'm done with everything. This is my last section. We're almost. Okay, so we're officially done. I have sprayed my whole head. I've conditioned my head, but there's still some left. So I'm gonna spray my edges, moisturize my edges. Just moisture. Then it's done. Seal in the moisture. Then you have to massage your scalp, okay? Massage your scalp, massage it into your scalp for blood circulation. Okay guys, so that's roundabout everything that I do for my moisture routine. So my hair is now moisturized, my twists are now fresh. As you can see, my hair is now fresh, it looks healthy. As you can see, yeah, I'm happy. I'm really excited. Okay, if you're asking yourself why I was using glycerine for my mixture, it's because glycerine is a humectant. So glycerine, actually, when your hair is dry, right, but you have glycerine on your head, glycerine actually absorbs all the moisture from the atmosphere and into your hair, so you guarantee that your hair is always moisturized. So yeah, that's everything I had for you guys today. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe if you like the video. So after all this, we're going to close it in with a satin bonnet. Just put it in there. In. There you go. There you go. There you go. I'm going to bed now. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. It's bye for now.